Hi again, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And I was out and about today and thought, I'm going to check out this thing called the Arizona Falls. It's here, well, really it's in Scottsdale, near the Phoenix border, but it all comes together. And I'd heard about this place. I thought, well, what the heck, we should go check it out. So that's what we're going to do. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be man-made falls, but we'll flip the camera around and kind of just walk around and give you guys a feel for what we're looking at here, okay? So here we are. There's a parking area down there. And then over here, it talks about a little bit of the history here. Water in the desert, giving you the history of how water makes its way down here and the watersheds and such. And you can probably hear the water in the background. So here we are. This is one of the famous water canals that run throughout this area. And there we see the canal. Now sometimes you'll see fish in there. Believe it or not, they do fish in these canals. I've been surprised at that. It's mostly just big old carp that they catch. And here we're walking over some more water. And then we'll continue up here around the corner and show you guys what we're looking at. So it's kind of like a maze. There's several different walkways here to choose from. Okay, now I think we're getting a look at some of the falls over here to the left. Okay, so here, we'll walk down here. I'll give you a look over the fence, okay? All right, then we'll walk down here. This is actually pretty cool. Speaking of cool, it's no longer cool. It's about 100 degrees today, but no humidity. Oh, look at this. All right, this is super interesting to look at. Wow. I'm glad we came to look at this, aren't you? Hopefully you can hear me, but I'm sure it's hard. Really, really noisy here. Come back around, give you another look at the falls. And there's the water headed down through the canal. Well, by no means is it Niagara Falls or anything like that, but still pretty doggone impressive. We've got our very own Arizona Falls right here in the Phoenix, Scottsdale area. Hey, keep subscribing to our channel, Traveling with Jack and Pam. Check out the podcast too, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you next time, you know what we always say, make it a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow. And bye now from Arizona Falls.